everyone, welcome back to my channel. Join me today as I unbox this package I got from Nihaojewelry. Lately I've been really into charm bracelets and I'm working on one that's super meaningful to me. I found some charms in their shop that I absolutely love. Come check them out and see what they look like. Nihaojewelry was established in 2013 and specializes in the online wholesale of fashion jewelry, accessories and clothing. They provide a wide range of products perfect for physical stores, boutiques, supermarkets, e-commerce sites, wholesalers and even brand owners. I think that with over 200,000 items available, there's something for everyone. Take a look at these beautifully detailed charms. Each one has tiny stones that are perfectly set, and I couldn't be more thrilled with how they look. I absolutely love them. If you are interested in what else they have to offer, check out their website. Their site is available in multiple languages, so shopping is a breeze for everyone. Nihaojewelry ships worldwide too. They offer over 40,000 items with free shipping, which is awesome. It's a one-stop online wholesale platform with no minimum order, perfect for small businesses, startups. Plus, for Shopify sellers, they provide dropshipping support, making things much easier. If you are interested in the specific charms I chose you saw in the video, you will find the link and product ID in the video description down below. But I definitely recommend checking out the whole jewelry making section because they offer some very interesting products that I haven't seen elsewhere. I was quite interested in these charms. It's one of the best sellers, but I admit it's the first time I've seen it. You can create these personalized bracelets out of it, which I think is a totally cool idea. They have a lot of designs of these components. You will also find a lot of beautiful glass beads. They are very interesting pieces for a variety of projects or whole kits that look great. So bye and see you in the next video.